morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Year 6 presentation assembly. It's half term and it's Friday the 12th of February and we're here to celebrate some amazing Year 6s who've been working so hard during this half term at home and at school and posting lots on Shobi and also on Class Dojo. They have been amazing. All certificates will be coming in the post, so look out for those in the post over the weekend and enjoy them over half term. Let's hand over to some amazing Year 6s. In Year 6, we are starting with Miss Percy's English stars. We've got Luke, Scarlett, Callum, Jeffrey, Nikita, Miriam, Zara, and Scarlett. Look at you guys. Look at the work you guys are producing. You absolutely are English superstars. Your certificates will be coming in the post to you, so please, it'd be lovely to see nice pictures of you with your English star certificates, your presentation certificates. Really amazing work, guys. Please do keep that up. I know the work you're posting on Shobi is phenomenal. I know you are impressing Miss Percy, so do keep that up. Well done, you English superstars. Moving on to look out, Mr. Davidson's English stars, just as impressive as Miss Percy's. We've got Leon, Thomas, Emily, Ruby, Jamie, Amelia, Nikolai, and Scarlett. Look at that English work, guys. It is phenomenal. And I know it's tricky doing all this home learning, doing via Shobi, but actually the standard of work, Mr. Davidson and Miss Percy are still super impressed by that. So we've got to keep this up, keep it up each day, keep working hard. You guys absolutely have through this half term well-deserved English stars, certificates winging their way in the post to you. So look out for those in the post. Hopefully we're there this weekend. Well done, guys. And we've got Miss Percy's math stars. Look at these mathematicians. Wow, we've got Sky, Caden, Aston, Alex, Sky Louise, Taylor Lee, and Damien. Look at the maths guys you guys are doing. And again, this is every day. Absolutely every day. And even on Times Table Rockstar, it's lovely to see you guys going on there and your scores going up as well. Keep it up. Keep posting those bits on Shobi. It's fantastic to see. And it's fantastic to see the level of maths that you guys are doing. Miss Percy is super impressed, as am I. Well done, you math stars. And Mr. Davidson's math stars, look at these guys. Tedas, Angel, Emily, Lola, Julia, Kenzie, Mason, and Katie. Again, if you just look at the maths that's going on, guys, it is amazing. It's so good, guys. Please do keep it up. Keep working as hard as you possibly can every day because it really does help out. And eventually when we get back to school, you'll be able to whiz through your maths because of the maths that you are doing at home. Mr. Davidson's super impressed, as am I. And look out for your certificates in the post. Well done, guys. Miss Percy's reading stars. Now, not only are these guys getting a certificate in the post, but they'll be getting a reading book as well. So, Edric, Caden, Zara, and Cody, look out, guys. Look out for those. Come in the post. Your reading book will be coming with your certificates. I really hope you enjoy your books. It'll be lovely to see you post about your books and write them in your reading records and tell us how good you think they are, because hopefully we've chosen some really nice ones for you. But we look at your reading records. It's amazing you guys are reading every single day and keeping that up. I am so impressed. Well done, Year 6. Talk about examples and good examples. You guys are it. So really well-deserved reading books and reading certificates. Thank you ever so much. Really well done. And the same for Mr. Davidson's reading stars. Just the same. You've got Angel, Harlow, Ellie, and Kenzie. You got absolutely brilliant. Even there, Mr. Davidson saying, Angel, I have really enjoyed listening to you read this week. Well done. I'm so impressed with your effort throughout lockdown. You know, that is an understatement. I am impressed with everyone through Year 6. You four absolute superstars. So certificate and a new reading book will be coming home for you guys. So please do let us know what it's like and write about it in your reading records. It will be lovely to see. And Harlow, what an amazing reading record as well. Well done. And so brilliant. Kenzie, Ellie, superstars. Look out for those certificates and books coming in the post. Well done. Here we go, Miss Percy's. Look at these afternoon stars. I love this, afternoon stars. Those of you working so hard in the afternoons. So beyond the English and maths, we've got computing, science, history, art. Just amazing. We've got Frankie there with computing. Amazing. Millie May with art, along with Cody and Cassandra. Look at the art. It's phenomenal. Absolute brilliant. You know, Cody, I've got copies of your artwork now. I know because you sent that through. It's amazing, buddy. Edric with his history and his timeline there. Superb, Edric. Great historian. And then Lewis with his science and his knowledge of dinosaurs is phenomenal. It's second to none. It's brilliant, guys. So look out for those certificates. They'll be coming in the post to take home as well. So thank you and keep up that amazing cross-curricular work, you superstars. Well done. Mr. Davidson stars. Look at these curriculums. So look at Elia, with his art. Look at that art. Amazing. Neve doing your PE, keeping fit. I know that every single day you are setting a brilliant example to everyone to keeping us healthy, keeping us fit throughout this really difficult time. So well done. Daniel, with your computing, look at that, with your computing, getting all the wires, getting it to light up. That's phenomenal, buddy. Really well done. Super effort on your computing. And then Summer with her art as well. We've got some really budding artists as well. So really well done, guys. All that cross-curricular work. Keep it up. You're setting a great example to the rest of Year 6. So really well done and keep that up. Well done, everyone in the Year 6. You are all amazing. You absolutely are. Through this very difficult time, it's amazing to see so many things that are posted with big smiles on people's faces. So really well done, guys. Keep it up. I know Miss Percy and Mr. Davidson are super impressed. I am as well. Look out for those certificates. Have a fantastic half-term break. Really enjoy, relax and enjoy yourselves. And then keep up that amazing work in that next half-term as well. Until then, bye-bye, everyone.